Hi friends, welcome to Use and Tell. This video is about MIVI micro USB cable for Android phones. I have purchased this cable online, and I have been using this cable for my Android phone since March 2017. It is a 6 feet long cable and compatible with almost all Android phones, tablets, and more devices. This 1.8 meters cable allows you to use the device simultaneously from the comfort of your bed or sofa. This cable is made with thick solid copper wire, which allows faster charging and data transfer. You can fold and unfold this cable easily. Folding does not damage the cable. The cable comes with 1-year warranty. I bought this cable from Amazon at 399 rupees. You can purchase the 6 feet long cable from Amazon using the link given in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to Use and Tell.